Hello friends, this is Arup and welcome to my another video. So this video is to share my experience with this laptop as I completed 3 months using this laptop, and so I thought I should make a video on this and which can help you to choose a laptop in case you are looking out for a best performance laptop, right? So I also made an unboxing video, and in case you did not watch it, please go through the link in description and do watch it. Let's start. So this is HP Pavilion 15 EG0105TX, which comes with Intel i5 11th generation with touchscreen. So the first thing I like about this laptop is it's a lightweight, right? And it's very slim and looks really stunning. It's around 1.7 kilogram and it's very easy to carry. About battery, it comes with three cells battery, and it gives around 8 hours of backup, which is really good. Let's see the basic specification. So it comes with a graphics card from NVIDIA, which has a 2 GB storage. And then you have a hard drive, which is again 512 GB with its SSD. And then you have a 16 GB RAM. Then the processor, which is again a 4.2 gigahertz turbo frequency, so which is really very quick, very fast. And yeah, so there are few softwares which comes with this laptop, like McAfee, antivirus protection. Then you get Alexa with this laptop. Then uh, then it's a full HD, so the screen resolution is 1920 into 1080. Uh, then we get a cache memory 8 MB, then the video memory is 2 GB, and the screen size, which is, yeah, it is of course it is a 15.6 inch laptop. Guys, one thing I like to add here. So this laptop is available at Reliance Digital, or you may find it online like Flipkart or Amazon. And yeah, I paid it around 69,000, but the current price is around 75 to 76,000, as Reliance has increased the price. So anyway, if you find this laptop, you can definitely finally, if you like my video, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions or you want to know something about this laptop, please do comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer your